Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. Today I wanna introduce our new project. It's about Inside Out movie. The first character that we already designed is Anxiety. It's so funny. I love it. You need know too many things about this amigurumi before continue. We already have PDF, the right pattern, available on our website GretaWings.com. You can buy the PDF, the right pattern, or you can continue follow our videos here on this your channel. It's up to you. This amigurumi it's about 28 centimeters long. It's the same like 11 inches. But depend, if you decide use another yarn, another size of the yarn, maybe the size will change. In this first part, I will show you all the materials, exactly the materials that I'm use. But at the same time, I will give you ideas about another material that you can use. Oh, something very interesting on this amigurumi is that she or he, I'm not sure, but can stand on his own. I will show you now. And also you can articulate this amigurumi. We will use wire in all the pieces, in the legs and on the arms. Then let's see the materials that we will use. The principal brand yarn that I used is Sinfonia brand yarn. Is 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. You don't need more than 50 grams on the mandarin or orange color yarn is the yarn that we will use more. Then you don't need too much. Also, we need a brown yarn. This brown yarn is a coffee mink and white yarn. If you want to buy this yarn with us, you can visit our website GretaWings.com and you can find it there. But it's up to you. Remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer. With 2.5 millimeters hook, this yarn. Also, we need a green yarn. It's just for the eyes, for this little circle, just for that. We will use a super finer yarn in white with 1.0 millimeters hook. It's just to make the teeth. But you can use another material for the teeth, for example, like a felt, you can use that. But I want to teach you how to crochet the teeth because all the crocheter has a super fine thread in white color yarn at home. I'm pretty sure about that. Then another super fine thread that we need is this one. Is like a cinnamon or light tobacco color yarn. We will use these yarns for just for the details on the shoes and on the cloth. I will show you now. You just need make a good combination. If you use a brown color yarn for the cloth and shoes, you need a light brown for the details. Just that. You can use another color if you prefer that. It's the same for this detail. A different yarn and will be okay. A different color yarn. For the hair, we need 100% acrylic yarn if you want the hair like the hair that I made. If you want to use another materials, of course you can do it, but for the hair like this, 100% acrylic yarn. I think the orange is a Crafter's Secret Big Idea, the brand. I think that you can find it on Hobby Lobby. But I lost the brand. I'm sorry for that. And the another one, I don't remember what is this the yarn, but I'm pretty sure is a medium 4 yarn. And 100% is the most important thing. And to have that effect on the hair, we will need this comb. It's a pet comb. You can use a pet comb for cat or for dog, is okay. The most important thing is this part. In the video I will show you how to make that. Is easy and funny. I love that effect. And I show you now the result using 2 colors yarn because I don't have mandarin color yarn on acrylic yarn. Then I use 2 different colors. Also we need 4 wires. 2 for the legs and 2 for the arms for articulate this amigurumi. You can use another wire. This wire is special for flowers, but it's the wire that I have. Also, you can use a pipe cleaners if you prefer that, but make sure that when you articulate the amigurumi stay good in a good position and don't back to the original form. But yes, you need articulate this amigurumi if you like the same result. Then we will use glue, whatever glue that you prefer. I will use a silicone glue. 6 millimeter safety eyes. 6 millimeter safety eyes. I don't recommend that you use another size, a big one. No, small. The expressions on this amigurumi, for the expressions you need small eyes. Also, you can embroider it. It's an idea. Pins, a lot of pins and wool needles and scissors. It's so funny. It's all the materials that you need to make this amigurumi. I hope and you like it and you want to do it. This is only the first part. In the next tutorial, we will make all the legs, all the body until the neck. And like that, we will continue making all the pieces until finished completely. Then, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. And if you have any questions, please ask me on the comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel and you really like our content, please subscribe and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next part. Bye bye.